Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 15 Pro Max. This works on all those models. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue holding the lock button until you see your phone completely turn off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then release. Keep holding. I let go, so keep holding, it's fine. Alright, you can let go. If you let go too early, just hold the button again and you'll be good. The first step is just to get the phone to turn off, and then you'll be good. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And there you guys go. Your phone has been soft resetted.